guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am super excited today. I have finally completed my Sweet Shop palette collection. My excitement apparently just like took over, and like all I could think was Sweet Shop. I couldn't remember like ice cream or palette. Anyway, wow. So anyway, I'm super excited. I have finally completed the BH Cosmetics collection of their Sweet Shop ice cream palettes. So I have all of them. Yes, I do. I have all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. So when you put them all together, they make a big ice cream cone. I will insert a picture here. Isn't that delightful? Like, come on. Come on. So anyway, they finally re-released the Pistachio palette, and the Cotton Candy was the other one that I was missing. So I picked up both of those, and it took hella forever to get here, I feel like. So they went from California to Illinois, and then like down to like New Mexico or something, and then back up. Like, they've just been all over the United States. It was crazy. And then over to the East Coast where I am. So anyway, here it is. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh, it's beautiful. I am so excited to use this today. So, yeah, we're just gonna jump right in. This was $18, but if you go to their website, somewhere on the side, like you scroll down, and I don't know if it says like meet whomever, or somewhere through there you'll meet different influencers they have listed, and if you click on one of their things, they all give you a 10% off code. So you're always going to get at least 10% off of your order if you order a full priced palette. I did get, this isn't about this video, but I did also get another one of their travel series palettes, the Paris one. So I did notice when I got those, I think that one was on sale, but I don't remember. All the other travel ones were on sale. So they always have some kind of sale. So anyway, I'm really digging BH Cosmetics. I'm really excited about this palette. I really hope it wows me like I expect it will. You know, and I can appreciate their stuff because they don't put shit in their makeup. Like, if you read under like the ingredients, it'll tell you everything that it's not made with. Like, it's crazy. Like, I don't know, I can appreciate it. I did pick up a couple other palettes because I kind of wanted to compare them to some of the Morphe palettes I have, because granted, a lot of those other like Morphe palettes, you know, they didn't always disclose the ingredients, especially early on, like when Morphe first started coming out and like was making these like 35 palettes or whatever. So anyway, let me see. So like when you click on, I know I'm rambling, sorry, I got super excited, but then like I feel like this is stuff like you guys should know or that I want to share with you. Well, come on now, click on the palette. What is happening? Is there like website frozen? There we go. So like it'll say like what it is, and then it'll click on ingredients, and then when you click on, it'll list like all this stuff. So it's like clinically tested, dermatologist tested, allergy tested, paraben free, gluten free, nanoparticle free, and then it says extra clean, no formaldehyde or formaldehyde releasing agents, no toxic phthalates, no mineral oil, no retinol palmitate, no oxybenzone, no coal tar, no hydroquine, no something, anyway, no triclosan or triclocarban, and not more than 1% of synthetic fragrances. So anyway, I can appreciate that. I was just sharing that. So anyway, that's enough hibble habble and enough of me blabbling. And let's jump into this. Zoom me in. So I've obviously got my face done, and I've already got concealer on my eyes. Just grab my basket of brushes to put here in front of me so I can try to not dig through them aimlessly, never finding whatever I need. So yeah, and you do get a mirror. So I think what I want to do is I really want to see, what do I want to do? I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I think I want to go in with this soft serve color. So I'm going to pick that up on this Morphe B79 brush. It's just a smaller fluffy brush. And let's see. Hold on. So I'd already done my face, so that's what I was saying, but I did it a bit ago because I was doing a video on my face with some new makeup, which I haven't done in a while. So pick up that color Soft Serve, and I'm just gonna dust that from inner corner to outer corner, just to see. Okay. There she is. There it is. So it's a pale color. It is buildable. Maybe that brush isn't dense enough for me. So yeah, so I switched out the brush. That brush just wasn't dense enough for me, and I'm using this ColourPop E16 brush. So fluffy, just a little more dense. I feel like it diffused the color a bit more, and I'm gonna go ahead and take that color and just do a wash of that underneath. I'm going to take this ColourPop E21 brush. It's just a smaller, dense brush. And I'm going to go in with the color Nutty. It's just nice. They're all nice greens. Super vibrant. Oh, pick that up. See how pretty that is? So I am going to put that out here. On the outer portion of the eye. I'm gonna do like the outer third. And then I'm gonna bring it just a smidge like across the crease. So again, I tip my head back. I'm gonna bring it across. And then I'm going to put this color in the inner third. I'm going to go back in with that first brush I used and just lightly dust across the edge. To blend those two. Like so. This has such nice color payoff. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with Sweet Life. It's a toss-up between these two, but I feel like I used a minty color in my Zendo palette, and that one pulls more minty. So I kind of want to go with this yellowish green. Oh, I'm so excited. Let's see. And I'm going to pick up this Luxie 245 small shader brush. It's just a flat brush, and I'm not using anything. I'm not spraying this because I really want to see what it does on its own. And I'm gonna place that, oh my goodness. Place that in the center of the lid. Oh, look how pretty that is. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, look how pretty that is. That is beautiful. I don't know that the camera is going to do that justice. Oh, it's so pretty. And I'm gonna dab this over where those two colors meet up to blend the colors. I'm gonna dab it. I'm gonna take that same brush I used for the darker color and again just dab over where they meet up just to blend them. That is so pretty. That is so pretty. And yes, 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 everything about this. So now I'm gonna take the tip of that brush, that same brush I used, and I'm just going to see if I can get that down here on the lower lash line, like in the middle, a little bit. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take this flat brush and put it back into that nutty color, the darker green. I'm gonna have them meet up just like that. That is so pretty. Okay, I'm going to leave it like that. I'm gonna hop off. I'm gonna finish my other eye. I've got to go get the baby because he's waking up from his nap, and then I will be right back. Okay, sorry about that. So I had to go get the baby. I finished my other eye. The only thing I did do that you didn't see was I started to add white liner, but it got like mucky and I was like, okay, this isn't what I'm going for. Like I wanted to try it. So that's why like the inner part here looks white. And then I was like, oh, well, let's go over it with the green. Well, that didn't work either. So yeah. So I just left it and I only did it on like this inner portion. You know, that's it. You trial and error, but I wasn't gonna like wipe off all my makeup because that screwed up. Like you probably really wouldn't even notice that much if I didn't point it out. But I did take my Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Cosmic, and I did do the lower waterline on both eyes. Could I have done green? Yeah. Could I have done black? Yeah. Did I do white? Yeah. Do I like it? Yeah. So, I mean, there's so many choices. Like, you could totally take this look and do whatever you want, and that is the fun thing about makeup. So, I did that, and then I just applied the lash. I love these lashes. These are the Tarte lashes in Goddess. And I, like, love... Is that gonna show up? Is that backwards? I don't know. Whatever. Anyway, it's a package that looks like this, and they say Goddess. I love them. I do. They added it. I haven't worn lashes in like what seems forever, but yes, I'm in love with the palette. I recommend it. I say buy it. It's a beautiful green palette. There's lots of looks you can come up with, I feel like, just depending on what greens you want to play around with, you know? I mean, I only used 2 of the shadows, and this is what I came up with, and I absolutely love it. Love it, love it, love it. Yeah. Oh, there is some fallout. I was like, there's something else I wanted to say. There is some fallout, but I know better, especially when working with shimmers, glitters, anything like that. I always end up getting some fallout. It doesn't bother me that much. I know better. I know I should do my face makeup last, but I don't. That's just how I live. I live my life on the edge. That's how I do my makeup. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I absolutely love these palettes. If you can get your hands on them, I suggest you do. I know people are selling them for like crazy prices on Mercari and I don't know if eBay, like whatever, but just go to the BH Cosmetics website. They brought them back. They heard the people. They heard us. They knew we wanted it. So anyway, I've loved every palette I've used. If you haven't seen the other ones, I've done pretty much every other palette on my channel. I will link them below for you guys to check out. As always, I hope this video helped you. I appreciate you watching. And yeah, I hope you enjoy the rest of your day or evening whenever you're watching this. Bye.